Five common types of arthritis. Number one, osteoarthritis. What is it? More people have this condition than any other form of arthritis. It is the wear and tear. This happen when your joints are overused. It is usually happen with age, but it can also come from joint injury or obesity, which put extra stress on your joint. Joints that bear weight, like your knees, hips, feet, and spine, are the most common places it affects. It often comes on gradually over month or year. It makes affected joint hurt, but you don't feel sick or have the fatigue that's come with some other types of arthritis. What's happened? You lose your body shock absorber cartilage, the slippery material that's cover the end of bones gradually break down. One example is what can happen to your knees when you overweight. The extra pound put more pressure on your cartilage as it gets squeezed between the bone. It gets damaged and wear away, so it is not as much as left occlusion to the joint. The damaged cartilage make movement painful, so you may hear a graphic sound when the rough cartilage on the surface of the bone rub together. You may get painful spur or bump on the end of the bone, especially on the finger and feet. The joint lining can get inflamed, but it is not common with osteoarthritis. Symptom depends on which joint are affected. You may have deep etching pain, trouble dressing, combining your hair, gripping things, bending over, squatting, or climbing stairs, depending upon which joints are involved. Morning stiffness that typically lasts 30 minutes. Pain when walking. Stiffness after resting. Number two, rheumatoid arthritis. What is it? Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that means that the immune system attack part of the body, especially the joints. That leads to the inflammation, which can cause severe joint damage. If you don't treat it, about one out of every five people who have rheumatoid arthritis get lumps on their skin called rheumatoid nodules. These often form over joint area that receive pressure, such as over knuckles, elbow, or heel. What happened? Doctors don't know exactly what causes rheumatoid arthritis. Some experts believe that immune system become confused after an infection with bacteria or virus and start to attack your joint. This battle can spread to the other areas of the body. Scientists think too of the body chemicals that are related to the inflammation, tumor necrosis factor, and interleukin 1 trigger other part of the immune system in rheumatoid arthritis. Medicine that block tissue necrosis factor, interleukin 1 and interleukin 6 can improve the symptom and prevent joint damage. Symptom can overcome on gradually or start suddenly. They are often more severe than with rheumatoid arthritis. The most common include pain, stiffness, swelling in your hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, knees, ankle, feet, jaws, and neck. Rheumatoid arthritis is usually affect multiple joints. More than one swollen joint, usually it is small joint in your wrist, hand, or feet. A symmetrical pattern when the knuckles on your left hand are inflamed, the knuckles on your right hand probably will be as well. After some time, you may notice more of your joint feel warm or become painful or swollen. Morning stiffness can last for 4 hours or even most of the day. You may also feel fatigued and notice that your appetite is down and you have weight loss. Number three is psoriatic arthritis. What is it? People with such condition have inflammation of the skin and joint. Psoriasis causes patchy, raised red and white areas of the inflamed skin with scale. It is usually affect the tip of the elbow and knees, the scalp, the navel, the skin around the genital area or anus. Only about 10 to 30% of the people with psoriasis will also get psoriatic arthritis. What are the symptoms? Psoriatic arthritis can swell the finger and toes. People who have it often have fingernails that are pitted or discolored too. In some people, only one joint or a few joints are affected. For example, you could have it in only in one knee. Sometimes it affects the spine or just the finger and toes. Number four, gout. What is gout? A buildup of uric acid crystal in a joint. Most of the time, it is your big toe or another part of your foot. What what happened? Often you wake up with a sudden sharp pain in your big toe or after a night of drinking, but drug stress or another illness can also trigger gout attack. The attack will last between 3 to 10 days even if you drink treat it. It may be a month or a year before you have another. But over time, attack will grow and more frequent, and they may last longer too. If the gout goes untreated too long, it can affect your joint and kidney. Gout results from one of the three things. Your body is making more uric acid. Your kidney can process the uric acid your body makes. You are eating too many foods that raise the uric acid level. What are the symptoms? The most important symptom are intense joint pain. It will probably be in your big toe, but it could also in your ankle, knees, elbow, wrist, or finger. Discomfort, even if after the sharp pain goes away, your joint will still hurt. Inflammation and redness, the joint will be red, swollen, and tender, hard to move. Your joint will be stuck. Number 5, lupus. What is lupus? Lupus is an autoimmune disease. It can affect your joint and many organs in your body. What happens? Doctors don't know the exact cause of the lupus, but something make your immune system go away. Instead of the attacking virus and other invader, it start to cause inflammation and pain throughout your body, from your joint to your organ to your brain. Women of childbearing age are more likely to get lupus than men. It affects African American women more often than white women. It is usually appear between the age of 15 and 44. What are the symptoms involved? Painful swollen joints, fatigues, headaches, swelling in the feet, leg, hand, around the eyes, rashes including butterfly rash across the cheeks, mouth sores, sun sensitivity, hair loss, blue or white fingers or toes, blood disorder like anemia and low level of white blood cell or platelets,